How to use ChatGPT for Facebook post. So let's say you want to post a picture of a sunset on Facebook, but you are confused on what to write a caption for the post. So let's take the help of ChatGPT. First of all, head over to any of the web browser and move into the site of openai.com. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now in this section, you simply need to write a caption about sunset for Facebook post, and then tap on this arrow icon. It will provide you some caption for the post. But if you want more, you can simply write "show more" and then tap on this arrow icon. It will show you more caption for your post. So let's say this is the caption that you want to. Simply tap on this copy icon right here. Once the caption has been copied, go back and head over to your Facebook post. And in this section, paste the thing that you have just copied before. So there you go, due to the help of ChatGPT, your caption is ready. Now simply tap on post at the top right corner and you'll be good to go. Likewise, you can take many more help from ChatGPT for your Facebook post and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.